Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video we will learn how to install Magento on AWS easily. We will install Magento on an AWS VPS. Magento, like WordPress, is primarily used to build e-commerce websites. It has many advanced features, and Magento is known for its robust security measures. Let's begin. First, go to Services and click on this button. Then, go to Instances and click on Launch. Next, navigate to the AWS Marketplace. Here, you can search for Magento. I'll copy Magento and search for it. Here, you'll find a pre-made image by Bitnami. Alternatively, you could choose a CentOS or Ubuntu image and manually install PHP, MySQL, and then Magento. However, Bitnami has created these packages that will automatically install everything for you. There's a package here that I'll select. Note that if you choose this one, it's not part of the free trial. The pricing you see while selecting will apply to you. If you select the free trial option, you won't be charged as long as your free trial lasts. I'm selecting the non-free trial option. After selecting this, the pricing shown will apply from day one since you're not using a free trial. There's no grace period for this option. I'll continue with this now. Here you can see the instance type. The one available in the free trial will be shown here. Click Next. Create only one instance and leave the default settings. In the next step, you can add storage. You can add up to 30 gigabytes in the free trial. After that, you can configure security settings or add any other ports. I'll click on Review and Launch, and then create one instance here. Now I'll create a key pair. I'll name it Magento and download it. It has been downloaded as Magento 1 because I think a key has already been created. I'll click on Launch. The installation process has started. After this is done, we'll proceed to the next step. After some time, its status will show as running. When you click on View Instance, it will show as running, but the installation is still ongoing in the background. After it's complete, we'll move to the next process. You'll see that both status checks have passed, it's in the running state, and the initialization is complete. Next, search for PuTTY. When you install PuTTY, it comes with it. In PuTTY, go to File and click on Load Private Key. Select the private key file you downloaded earlier, which should be named Magento 1. Click on Save Private Key, click Yes, and save it on the desktop with the name Magento. This file has just been saved as magento.ppk. Now, open PuTTY again. Copy your public IP address and enter it in PuTTY. Click on SSH, then Authentication, browse and select the Magento PPK file, and click Open. Click Yes when prompted. you've now connected. The username is Bitnami because you selected the Bitnami Magento image earlier. Enter the username as Bitnami and press enter. You don't need to enter a password because you're using your private key. You're now logged in. At this point, you can make any changes you want. To use it, you can connect this IP to a domain. Now, let's open the Magento admin panel. First, let's see how the website looks. Some processes are still running in the background. It will take a minute or two before the website or admin panel is accessible. Let's wait for it to open. It opened after about a minute. Now, let's open the admin panel by adding /admin to the IP address. I'm using the IP because I haven't connected it to a domain yet. For instructions on connecting it to a domain, refer to my WordPress video. The process is the same for connecting your domain to this IP. Once connected, you can access it using the domain instead of the IP. To log into the admin panel, you'll need to enter your username and password. To find these credentials, go back to your instance, select it, go to Monitoring, and click on Get System Log. Once you click on System Log, scroll down a bit and you'll find the username and password. Copy the password, and note that the username is simply user. Enter these credentials and click Sign In. After logging in, you can change the username and password. Now we've logged into the Magento admin panel. It's asking to set up some additional features, so let's go through that process. If you want to change your username and password, you can do so by going to Account Settings. You can make changes there. The latest version of Magento is now installed on your system. From here, you can proceed with building your website on this platform. Before you go, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more videos on topics like email marketing and VPS servers. Thank you for watching.